Uh, the root of everything po no ng lahat ng mga investigasyon on both Senate, the lower house at itong ICI is to address yung nangyayari pong corruption. Sa tingin po ba ninyo etong pagsisimula ng ICI ay makapagsisimula ng pagbabago when it comes to how the government deals with corrupt officials?
Well, we hope so, no? Pero what happened in the House is very disturbing dahil it was just a transfer from one political dynasty to another. No, the Speaker Romualdez comes from a political dynasty, and then the replacement comes from another political dynasty. Kami sa Isang Bayan, we have a pending case in the Supreme Court. We want the Supreme Court to order Congress to pass the anti-political dynasty law dahil sabi ng saligang batas, the state shall prohibit political dynasties as may be defined by law. So talagang prohibited yan. But ngayon, it's just a game of musical chairs. Pinalitan lang one political dynasty with another political dynasty. So it's very disturbing, no? So that's the big problem now dahil